In these questions, you have to choose the option that includes the set of statements about non-chordates. Now, A. Pharynx is perforated by gill slits. This is a characteristic of chordates and not non-chordates. B. Notochord is absent. Now, this is correct for non-chordates because a notochord is a defining feature of the chordates. C. Central nervous system is dorsal. In non-chordates, the central nervous system, if present, is ventral and not dorsal. D. Heart is dorsal if present. Now, in non-chordates, if heart is present, is located dorsally. So, it is correct for non-chordates. Now, post-anal tail is absent. Now, this is also correct for non-chordates because they do not have a post-anal tail. Thus, statement B, D, and E are correct statements about non-chordates. Hence, the correct answer is option A.